Okay, so if you look at number 12, it says when factored completely, x to the third minus 13x squared minus 30x is essentially equivalent to what? So if I look at my choices, I go back to what we talked about before. If my answer choices deal with variables, deal with letters, you're probably better off just storing something for x and seeing if they equal. So I'll pick any number, it doesn't really matter what, as long as it's not 0 or 1, and store it as x. And then I'm going to look at my equation. So I've got x to the third minus 13x squared minus 30x. And then I'm going to set it equal to each one of my choices. So if we look at this, we're going to say, okay, does this equal? And then I'll type my first choice. X plus 3, x minus 10. By the way, you see when it says invalid multiply, that means you need to have the multiplication symbol in there. So if you do get that, don't freak out. It just means you need to actually show multiplication between. And if you look here, it says false, that's not actually the answer choice. So I'll try the next one. We'll bring down and say, is it x times x minus 3 times x minus 10? And that says false. So we'll try the next choice. Is it x times x plus 2 times x minus 15? And true, so now I know that the answer to this should be choice 3.